Have you ever wondered why the smartest people often feel the loneliest?
It sounds strange, right? You'd think intelligence would make life easier. But sometimes, being smart can feel like
Smart people think differently. Their brains connect dots that others don't even see. Smart people often enjoy deep conversations. But most social settings are about small talk.
Smart people notice patterns. They see flaws in logic. They question things.
And when your brain never stops, even silence feels loud.
Imagine a puzzle. Most people put pieces together slowly. Smart people, they see the whole picture before anyone else. Think of it like being thirsty for water, but only finding soda. Smart people notice patterns. They see flaws in logic. They question things.
They don't want to seem weak. They don't want to disappoint. So they put on a mask.
Their jokes may feel too niche. Their passions may seem too intense. And when others don't get it, they pull away.
They replay conversations. They analyze every word. They wonder, did I say too much? Did I sound weird?
Smart people often feel like outsiders. They notice details others miss.
Friends and family expect them to have it all figured out. But intelligence doesn't equal emotional strength.
They hide struggles. They smile to avoid disappointing others.
When you point out flaws, people might step away instead of leaning in.
Their humor can be niche. Sometimes only one person gets it.
They replay conversations. They analyze every word.
Social cues can feel like noise when your brain never stops.
Sometimes it feels like you're on the outside, looking in.
Praise can feel like pressure when people expect you to always perform.
Curated lives online can make anyone feel like they're falling behind.
When you bring depth to casual spaces, it can be misunderstood or ignored. Connection often comes in small doses. One person who truly listens.
Sometimes the right people are found in niche corners, online or offline.
Loneliness can be a signal cone, a small light guiding you toward deeper connection.
Belonging often starts with a single invitation.
Depth attracts depth. A single meaningful exchange can change everything. Connections multiply when you seek places that match your depth.
When you stop dimming your light, the right people will find you.
Reflection helps you see how far you've come.
Small acts of reaching out build bridges.
Courage is small steps repeated.
A single warm greeting can change the whole room.
When you speak your truth, the right ears will listen.
Belonging feels like being seen, Faye. And being seen feels like home.
Small follow-ups turn moments into relationships.
Connection doesn't erase your uniqueness, and it amplifies it. Loneliness was a chapter, not the whole story.
Belonging grows slowly, like leaves on a tree.
Being smart doesn't doom you to loneliness. Being smart hunts.
Shallow waters dry up fast. Deep roots last.
Your thinking can be a gift to others.
Seek depth. Join niche spaces. Be patient.
When you feel overwhelmed, breathe. Small practices help.
Hey, how's it going? I wanted to ask you about the new project. Practice small talk as a bridge to deeper talk. Make small invitations. They matter.
You don't have to belong to everyone. You just need to belong to someone.
If this resonated, share it with someone who might need to hear it.
Thank you for building bridges and sharing your light with the world.